This is a huge step in the right direction of glass manufacturing, not just in the UK, but across the world. What happens here can have a really profound effect on glass manufacturing right the way across the globe.
This enables us to do research that's very well developed at a scale which is highly relevant to our members and translate that into a full-scale operational production environment.
I thank all of the team members who have put in the hours to get us to the furnace light up. This is just the start of us bringing ideas to life in our facility.
It'll have a massive impact on the economy of St Helens, but also it'll protect those jobs for generations to come.
It really is very, very exciting to see this coming to fruition, lighting up for the first time today. It makes me very proud.